Hello, my name's Beverly and I am a nurse in the Southwest. I've worked within healthcare for several years now, and I just want to talk about some of the things that I've seen in that time. I have seen our wages frozen for 8 years under the current government. That has meant that I've had a real terms 14% pay cut. Whilst my salary stayed still or even reduced, my household bills, my food, my energy prices were rising. This made it increasingly hard to survive. Everything is costing more. I'm finding myself having to put my hands in my pocket more for my children's education because schools can't supply them with lined paper, which is something that happened to my son last week at school. I have seen nurses stretched to the absolute limit. I've seen doctors at their absolute limit and many other healthcare professionals. We are losing nurses left, right and centre because the pressures are getting too much, or they're going into jobs where they could be paid more money than what we are being paid as nurses. And that's just not on. We are so stressed that we can't give the patients the care that we really, really want. And we are seeing people with more complex needs than ever, which means more cost to the NHS or even the private sector. So I have voted Lib Dem for 20 years. I've been a staunch Lib Dem voter. I just don't feel I can vote for them this time, and I certainly can't vote for the party that has created so much heartache for the NHS and for nurses and doctors and physios. I just can't vote for them. I've been accused in the past of being a political activist, but you'll find me on no Labour, Tory, Lib Dem membership. I'm not an activist. I am just a nurse with an opinion I'm entitled to have. The world's a struggle, and all I'm asking is that you take the chance and take the time to really look at the manifestos presented to you by all the parties and vote, like me, for what I feel is going to be the best for our country.